Shocking new laws. How anti-money laundering rules will shake up the Queensland real estate market. Guys, from the 1st of July 2026, new anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing, AMLCTF, rules will apply to businesses in certain industries, including real estate professionals, buyers agents, sellers agents, developers, dealers in precious stones, metals and related products, lawyers and conveyancers, accountants, and trust and company service providers, just to name a few. Additionally, businesses dealing with virtual assets like cryptocurrency will need to follow these rules starting 31st of March 2026. Yes, that's right, just a year away. Sounds like a long time in the future. However, as we all know, time creeps up on us quickly. Remember when the new property sellers disclosure laws were ages away? Well, guess what, guys? They're less than 5 months away. Special shout out to our friends at AUSTRAC for providing today's content. You might be thinking, all right, George, what's AUSTRAC? Well, AUSTRAC is the Australian Transaction Reports and Analysis Centre. So it's an Australian government financial intelligence agency responsible for monitoring financial transactions to identify money laundering, organised crime, tax evasion, welfare fraud, and terrorism financing. All right, but how do I check if these new AMLCTF rules apply to me? To see if your business needs to comply with the new regulations, AUSTRAC has an online tool to check if you will be affected. We have a link available now in our blog, so you can click and check that out. Also, you can visit AUSTRAC's website on newly regulated industries. If your business is included, AUSTRAC will provide guidance and educational materials to help you understand and meet your obligations. Expect more details later this year in 2025, including a breakdown of the new rules, how to implement them into your business, and specialised resources for small businesses to make compliance easier. All right, so if your business is affected, you must register with AUSTRAC. So this applies to all newly regulated businesses. Virtual asset businesses must also apply before starting operation. Set up an AMLCTF compliance program. So this means having policies in place to prevent money laundering and financial crime. You need to verify customer identities. So you'll need to check who your customers are, assess risk levels, and flag any suspicious activity. That's going to be a big one for real estate agents. So that verification of identity process, there's going to be AMLCTF regulation to make sure you're compliant. Then reporting suspicious transactions. So this includes reporting large cash transactions, unusual activity, overseas money transfers, etc. And keeping records for 7 years. So you've got to store key documents, including customer verification, transactions, and compliance reports. Okay, so what is next? AUSTRAC is going to release more guidance for us throughout 2025. These new laws will start on the 1st of July 2026 for those professional services I listed before, namely the real estate agents and the lawyers. And of course, you can stay up to date best on AUSTRAC's website. Guys, these changes aim to protect businesses from financial crime whilst ensuring compliance with Australia's AML-CTF laws. All right, so guys, this is a massive change to real estate agents and the way they do business. The goal of the AML-CTF is to crack down on Australian properties as a vehicle for money laundering, amongst other things. So it's going to oblige the real estate agent professional to take steps to have a compliance program, verify client identity, and then report anything suspicious to AUSTRAC. We are acting as the eyes and ears for the government. We will make more information available to our network at Empire Legal as we gain additional guidance. So the best way to manage that, guys, is to subscribe to our blog and or our YouTube. There's a link in the blog on how to get signed up to that weekly update. It's obviously free, informative information all about the property industry. Like, subscribe, and share. We've got over 750 followers now on our YouTube. Our goal is to hit 1,000. It's all free content. We're on a mission to help Queenslanders keep up to date with all things Queensland property related and be the trusted choice for the best conveyancing experience the Sunshine State has to offer. Over 2,500 people have rated us 5 stars on Google. We want to help you. Contact us for a no-commitment chat on how we can look after you and your clients to have a smooth sail all the way to your property settlement. Thanks, guys. Chat soon. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep in mind that all advice is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. This is authorised by George Souris, Empire Legal, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.